Sundays are meant to be days of rest. Only 12 o'clock and I've already been up, taken Bodhi to the doctors, gone to Aldi, gone to Tesco, gone to the pharmacy. So rested is one thing I am not. I'm hoping a nice, messy breakfast spaghetti is going to sort me right out. I've not eaten yet, so I'm absolutely starving. I'm going to be having some bougie sausages from the Black Farmer as well. I'll be honest with you guys, I've already gone through a packet of these. I don't know what it is about poached eggs, but I just really do not enjoy cooking them. I'm still using my bougie eggs as well. Pop my baguette in the oven just to make it all nice and warm. This spaghetti is holding on for dear life. It looks like it's going to break apart at any minute. Sausages, banging sausages. They also sent us some jerk sausages, so jerk pork sausages and jerk chicken sausages. Didn't even know jerk sausages were a thing. Yeah, they do chicken sausages for anyone that doesn't eat pork. Bacon, and then the poached eggs. Spaghetti is absolutely behoosive. That is going to be such a good egg pop. Should we do it? Oh my god, look at that. Am I even going to be able to cut this? And of course, got to wash it down with a bit of AJ. I'm definitely preferring apple juice at the moment to orange juice. Baby boy is fast asleep. Not surprised because he woke up literally every half an hour last night. How do they know? How do they know you're about to sit down and eat? I swear to God, babes, has got some weird 6th sense psychic thing.